This little Minecraft fox is squishy, stretchy and super satisfying. And you can even squeeze it into a ball. Stressed out or just stuck in a boring meeting, this little guy could be your new favorite desk buddy. The thing is, you can squish it, but you can't take it apart or rebuild it. So I built my own version out of Lego. Same size and color, but you can take it apart and rebuild it any time you want. Just like so. It's great for fidgeting, and you can even play with the pieces. And then build it again when you're ready. Stay with me for a bit longer if you would like to build one too. Speed build is coming up next. And here he is, the little fox is complete. So, what do you think? Do you prefer the soft and squishy one or Lego build version? Let me know in comments. I will be back soon with something new.